The CDC and FDA calling for healthcare providers nationwide to stop giving the Johnson & Johnson vaccine for now.
Georgia's Department of Public Health halting the vaccinations immediately as the federal agencies look into a small number of people across the country who developed blood clots. To put it into perspective, the one-dose shot has been administered just under 7 million times to people, and right now only 6 cases of blood clots have been reported, which is why health officials consider this to be an extremely rare side effect. Tracy A. McPeer walks us through what we know so far about the potential risk.
The CDC and FDA say out of the 6.8 million people who've gotten the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, 6 women under the age of 50 developed blood clots. 1 died. Another is in critical condition. It's led the 2 agencies to call for providers to temporarily stop giving the shots while they review the information, which should take a matter of days. Georgia Health Commissioner Dr. Kathleen Toomey says no cases have been reported in Georgia. But in the other states' cases, the clotting was serious and unusual because the patient's blood platelets were also low.
When you treat clots, you often use something that increases your bleeding, like heparin. But the problem with this is that you actually give that customary treatment, you'll actually make these individuals much sicker.
Dr. Toomey says if there is a problem, it would likely occur in the first 3 weeks after getting the shot, and there are signs to watch out for.
Severe headache, leg pain, shortness of breath, stomach pain.
Experts are looking into whether the clots are a rare immune response to the vaccine itself. Dr. Chris Rustin says if you had an appointment to get a J&J vaccine in Georgia, you will get another vaccine instead.
We've asked the health departments to not cancel those appointments, to continue to honor the appointments, but instead of Johnson & Johnson, offer a Moderna and Pfizer vaccine.
Rustin says it will be easy to pivot in Georgia since we have a large supply of Moderna and Pfizer on hand. Dr. Toomey says she just hopes this complication does not add to vaccine hesitancy.
This is actually the system working. There was something of concern that happened. It was identified. In the abundance of caution nationwide, we stopped to make an assessment.
The FDA, the CDC, and the Advisory Committee for Immunization Practices will be meeting tomorrow to review the Johnson & Johnson data. Now, we want to emphasize that these issues have not been reported with the Pfizer vaccine or the vaccine from Moderna.